Hi friends, welcome to another decluttering video. It is our Throw It Out Thursday and I am personally working on my makeup declutter. I have way too much makeup. I have so much makeup and I only have one face. Don't need all the makeup I have. Plus I have so much makeup that is so similar to my other makeup, like eyeshadow palettes that replicate other eyeshadow palettes I already have, or with shades that I use frequently, but I have just so much of the same thing. It's overwhelming and it's always a cluttery mess in my bathroom and I just get overwhelmed. So I need to take care of the overwhelm part and just declutter it, because I know I have friends, I have sister-in-laws, and I have a mom that probably would love to get some new makeup because I have some really good stuff. I just don't need all of the makeup I have. So in this video, I will be decluttering my makeup. And the video is kind of like not the best quality. I already videotaped it and I'm really sorry if you kind of get grossed out, because my bathroom's a mess. It's dirty. I need to clean it in this video. And yeah, you know, when you want to declutter something, decluttering is not always fun. So you do it when you just feel up to do it. So at the moment I felt up to do it. That's why it's a mess in my bathroom, and you're gonna see that. So I try to fast forward through some of the parts because I don't want to make it long and boring. I kind of want to make it fun for you. My son Riley does turn on the water faucet in the bathroom and it is kind of noisy. So I wanted to fast forward through some of that just so it wasn't like an annoying sound for you. So Rachel's going to be decluttering something too. I think it's her accessories. I don't really have a lot of accessories because I just don't know. I've never been in, well, I was into accessories when I was younger, when I was working at like Wet Seal, a clothing store, when I always had to like look really cute and really nice and stuff. I always liked accessories then. Now I'm just too lazy to put on accessories. Like my wedding ring, pretty much the only accessory I ever wear. I mean, and also my bracelet that my son Sean won for me at Big L's Arcade. I have worn that ever since the day he gave it to me and it has not come off. So I've had it for a long time and I love it. But yes, I do not really wear a lot of accessories. I do have some accessories, but I have such little and I keep the ones that I would wear. So I'm not going to be decluttering my accessories, but just my makeup. I think she said she doesn't really have any makeup she needs to declutter because she just recently decluttered it, I think. So I will share with you my decluttering video and head over to Rachel's channel right after this and watch what she's decluttering and see how awesome of a job she does, because I know she'll rock it. All right, guys, let's get to decluttering my awful amount of makeup. Alright, so this is my Mary Kay makeup organizer and I am going to start with the lip area and go through that because I don't need a whole lot of lipsticks. Alright, so these are the lipsticks and lip glosses that I am getting rid of. So I'm getting rid of 8 so far, and just in this package alone. So this was a lot more full. I didn't clean that out, sorry. But yeah, while I'm keeping just the colors I know I for sure want and I will use. I actually tried on a bunch of them and these were the no-goes. Right. Now to move on to this. Alright, so all of this came from that pocket and we're going to go through this. All of this is like blushes and foundations, I believe, so let's go through this. So this is what I am keeping. I like these highlighters and I still have, this is like one of my favorite blushes, so I'm going to keep that. Sorry about the garbage in the background. And then this stuff right here I'm actually getting rid of. So I'm pretty freaking proud of myself. Now to do these two. The reason I'm going to do these two at the same time is because they're both for eyes, like eyeshadows and eyeliners and stuff. So I'm going to go through these together, guys. So sorry it's like super dirty. But yeah. These things came from those two pockets or baggies. So now to go through it and see which I want to keep. So all of this I'm actually getting rid of. I am really, really, really proud of myself. Sorry, it's like dirty and gunky. I should have cleaned that first. But yeah, these I'm getting rid of all of this. I know I just did a video on how awesome these are not too long ago, but honestly I have so many of the same shades and I don't use the other shades that are in here that I don't really have. So I'm just going to... Yep, and then these are the ones I'm keeping in that pack. And the box right here. This is full of stuff I'm getting rid of so far. Now to attack this stuff. This is like my daily makeup, so I'm not going to get rid of much in here, if anything at all. But I also have stuff in there that I need to go through. If you're curious about the water sound, Riley is playing in a thing. Alright, so I was actually able to find a couple things I can get rid of. I know my daughter's going to want this. And I think my sister-in-law maybe might want this. I'm not sure. But a couple things for my daily makeup pouch. So yeah, I'm very shopping for a thing or stuff in my daily makeup bag. Alright, now to move on to the bigger bag. Now to move on to this. I know, okay, I just recently bought this and I used it maybe once. But honestly, you guys, I don't need it. I have a lot of other eyeshadows that are having a lot of these colors in there, and I just don't need this, and maybe someone else might get some use out of it. I think I might send this to my best friend, Stephanie. She might really like to get some use out of this, so I'm going to get rid of that. Keeping this, keeping these. I love these eyeshadows. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, the Burgundy Bar from Maybelline. You guys, this is amazing. It's beautiful. Keeping that. This is fantastic face cream. Even with my eczema, this doesn't hurt my skin, and it works fantastic. I love this stuff. Keeping that. Keeping this. Oh, there's anything in here that I might get rid of, actually. This is brand new. Love this eyeshadow. Got that from BoxyCharm. I actually got this from my boss for one of my Christmas gifts from her. This stuff is amazing. I absolutely love it. Just got this. I love it. Keeping that. Love this, especially for my shorter hair now. It works great. This is my favorite powder brush. It was expensive as all hell, but it is my favorite. It is from It Cosmetics, and it was like $30, I believe. Love it. This is good stuff. Sometimes it irritates or it burns my skin when my skin is flaring up, so I only use this occasionally, but I really like it a lot. It is from Soap & Glory. It's amazing. This is like a highlighter that I will never use. Get rid of it. I love this. It's almost out, so I'm going to use the heck out of it till it's done. I'm almost done. I think one more use out of it. I got it from like Ipsy, I think, and it smells so freaking good, and it works really good, so I'm going to keep this. This is what's in the Nomad thing. I'm keeping it. It's so gorgeous. Another highlighter. Who'd have thunk it? Get rid of it. Got too much. And that stuff is all garbage. So these things on top of the bag I am getting rid of. And these things I am keeping. Yay! Thank you guys so much for sticking around and watching this video. I really appreciate it. I know that my video wasn't the best, but I hope you still give me a thumbs up because a girl tried. I tried, and I think that because I'm not burning kittens on fire, I deserve a thumbs up. I think only thumbs down should go to like horrible, tragic things. I don't think it should ever be for just the quality, because I'm using this on my iPhone too, you guys. Not gonna be the best quality. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video nonetheless, and hopefully it got you motivated to declutter something of yours as well. And like I said earlier, head on over to Rachel's channel, Live, Laugh, Love Mommy, and watch what she's decluttering. I will put a couple of our decluttering episodes in our in my description box below, and I'll also put a link to her channel so you can definitely easily click on that and head right over to her channel. Alright guys, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye now!